show you this super awesome nightlight. This is a dimmable nightlight, which is so amazing to use. This would be great for an adult or a child, anybody really in their bedroom. So I really love this nightlight because it's really awesome to be able to change the features with a remote. That's my favorite. And I will show you exactly what's included. So in the box, you get this really great user manual. I love a good user manual. It tells you everything about how to set it up and how to use it. It's really a great resource. Inside the box, you also get the light itself. As you can see, this is a very sleek and aesthetic design. Very modern, would look great in anybody's room. It does come with some adhesive packages in order to secure the base to a wall. So here is the base. Very small, super easy to do. You just secure one of those patches on the back, apply it to a wall, and then as you can see here, there is a magnetic strip on the nightlight that secures gently to that base. Then it is able to tilt and move as you please. Included in the package is also a really great USB charging port, which is awesome, and then a great remote. So this remote is super cool in the way that it has different functions. As you can see, there's an on, auto, off, different dimmer lights, a minus and a plus button to decrease or increase your light there, and then also some timers. If you just want the light on for 15, 30, or 60 minutes, go ahead and press the timer. I'm gonna demonstrate the on button here. As you can see, it gives a nice, beautiful glow. And then I'm gonna go ahead and I'm gonna turn that dimmer onto different settings. That there is the sun here in the middle, and that is the one on the end. So you can get kind of like a white, a yellow, and then a light light. You can turn those up, you can turn those down. As you can see, I like my light here by bed, so I can go ahead and I can read, which is really nice because my husband doesn't like my lamp on. So I turn my lamp off and I'm able to read very wonderfully.